Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Entre Jeunes Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we are continuing with Entre Jeunes Class 10, which is the CBSE textbook for class 10 French students. And in today's video, we are starting with lesson 11, lesson 11, c'est bon le progrès or good progress. Right, it's a good progress. This is the part 1 video. All my other videos based on this particular textbook are present in the playlist titled Entre Jeunes Class 10. The link to the playlist is provided in the description box below. Okay, so we are on page number 93 of this textbook. We can see a picture like there's Earth, and then there are two people with a desk and a computer sitting quite apart on two ends of the world, and they're connected through a link. This link is what? Internet technology, right? So that's what we are going to talk about in this chapter. Okay, so as usual, जैसा कि आपको पता है, Entre Jeunes टेक्स्ट के हर चैप्टर के शुरुआत में कुछ टेक्स्ट दिया होता है और हम क्या करते हैं, उस टेक्स्ट को रीड करते हैं, वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स सीखते हैं और उसका मीनिंग जानते हैं, right? So that is what we are going to do today as well. So we are starting with lesson 11. La male, the Marcel. Okay, so the male, M-E-L, male is your male, okay. So Marcel's male, Marcel sent a mail. So Marcel, who is Marcel? Marcel est informaticien. Informaticien, we have discussed earlier. Informaticien का मतलब होता है computer scientist, okay. Computer scientist, informaticien. So he's a computer scientist. C'est le cousin. Il travaille chez Macintosh. So he works in the Macintosh. C'est le cousin de Pauline et de Dennis. He is the cousin of Pauline and Dennis. Il est allé à New Delhi pour s'occuper d'un stand dans une expo des ordinateurs à Pragati Maidan. So he went to Delhi for for occupying a booth in the computer expo held at the Pragati Maidan. Okay, so comme on lui a demandé d'aller à la dernière minute, so as he was asked to go last minute, il n'a pas pu avoir la confirmation de son billet pour le vol de retour. So since he was invited at the last minute, he couldn't have the confirmation for the return ticket, okay, for the ticket of the returning flight, okay, vol, V-O-L, vol de retour, returning flight, okay. Now, we are starting with dialogues, like the conversation taking place between Nargis and Pauline. Nargis says, Salut Pauline, tu as des nouvelles de Marcel? So, Nargis greets Pauline by saying, Hello Pauline, tu as des nouvelles? Do you have any news of Marcel? Pauline says, Justement, exactly. C'est maintenant que je vais vérifier si j'ai de nouveaux mails. So it is now that I am going to verify or going to check if there are any, if I have any new mails. Okay, so she's going to check the inbox of the mails which she has received. Okay. Quelquefois, j'ai un problème de connexion. Mon Wi-Fi ne marche pas bien. So, sometimes I am having a problem of connection. My Wi-Fi is not working well. Okay. So, Nargis says, ah bon, je dois aussi conformer le billet de mon père qui doit partir pour Tokyo. So, Nargis says, oh, well, I also must confirm the ticket of my father, which he would be needing to leave for Tokyo, right? Pauline says, D'accord, j'ouvre le site. Okay, I open the site. Ça y est. An expression which means that's it. Okay, ça y est means that's it. Ça y est, that's it. Maintenant, je tape adresse de ma boîte aux lettres. Boîte aux lettres is what? Mailbox. So, now I will type the address of my mailbox. That's what? The email ID. Right. Then it is what? Pauline 03@voila.fr. Okay. Et je tape le mot de passe. Mot de passe. Mot is word. Pass is pass. Word, pass, together, password. Okay, after putting the email ID, you put your password, isn't it? Dollar, cas, ensuite. Okay, so then she typed the password. Je valide, I validated. Et voilà, il y a un nouveau message. Okay, and here it is, a new message. There's a new message. Now this says, c'est le courrier de Marcel. It's the mail of Marcel. Pauline, oui, SOS de Marcel. SOS de Marcel, like SOS is what? Like when someone needs help. Then in the message like that, like the code is SOS, right? So, we are on page number 94 now. Okay, we can see the mail which was sent by Marcel. Bonjour de Delhi, hello from Delhi, the title. Then Marcel's email ID is written, the date is written, and the time is written. Okay, so he is writing to Pauline. Chère Pauline, dear Pauline, bien arrivé à Delhi. I arrived well at Delhi. Il fait beau ici. It is pleasant here. Les gens sont sympas. The people are kind or pleasant. Le travail me plaît beaucoup. The work pleases me a lot. Mais pour le retour, je suis toujours dans la liste d'attente. Liste d'attente. Liste d'attente का मतलब waiting list. Okay. So, it means that I am always in the but for the returning, I am always in the waiting list. Je veux que tu ailles à notre agence. Okay, यहाँ पर subjunctive का use करा गया है. Subjunctive is a verb form, okay, which we use when we are like expressing a desire or when we are ordering, right? So subjunctive, you can go to my videos on subjunctive, they would be helpful for you, okay. Like alle is an exception, so here it is, do I. So I want that you go to our agency, notre agence de voyage. You go to our travel agency et que tu rencontres Pascal and you meet Pascal. Elle fera tout ce possible. So, she will be doing everything which is possible for her. Okay, il faut que je sois à Paris lundi prochain. So, it is a must that I be at Paris. I'm at Paris the next Monday. Okay, je vous embrasse tout. So I always hug you, Marcel. This was the mail and the last répondre. Répondre means reply. Nadia, il faut qu'on se dépêche. So she says, oh, it's a must that we should hurry. Pauline says, alors viens, then come. Like, yeah. On va voir Pascal qu'elle fasse quelque chose. Attends, j'envoie d'un mot à Marcel. So, let's go to see Pascal. She's saying that she's doing something. No, wait. It's a single statement. Like, on va voir Pascal qu'elle fasse telle chose. Like, let's go to see Pascal, whether she can do anything or not. Attends, wait, j'envoie d'un mot à Marcel. Wait, let me reply to Marcel. Like, Marcel should come to know that Pauline has received the message right. So that's why a follow-up message, a reply. Okay, so we have these two dialogues. Then we can see the reply here. Bonjour de Delhi, Pauline, from Pauline to Marcel. Cher Marcel, dear Marcel, on s'occupe de toi. On s'occupe de toi, we are taking care of you. Okay, we have read the message, we are going to do what you have said. That's what this statement means. Okay, like contextually, that would be the aim of this message, right? That we are taking care of you, the literal translation, that we have read the message and then we are going to Pascal and then we are going to see that whether something is possible or not. And then Pauline, and then reply. Fine. So if you see text में क्या हुआ है? Marcel एक computer scientist है, दिल्ली में गया है, बट लास्ट मिनट में इंफॉर्मेशन मिलने के कारण ही कुडंट कंफर्म कि मार्शल का टिकट हुआ है रिटर्निंग का या नहीं. सो ही समवॉट स्टक देयर. वहां पर वो हमेशा वेटिंग लिस्ट में है. तो वो पॉलिन को मेल भेजता है कि पास्कल के पास जाओ जो कि हमारे ट्रैवल एजेंसी में है और उससे बात करके देखो अगर कुछ हो सके. एंड देन पॉलिन और नर्गिस रिप्लाई कर देते हैं कि ओके हमने ये मैसेज पढ़ लिया है, वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. ओके, दिस वाज योर टेक्स्ट. नाउ we have some questions based on the text. First one is vrai ou faux. True or false. जो statement सही है वो true है यानी कि vrai. जो statement गलत है वो false है यानी कि faux. Right. So question number 1, dit vrai ou faux. First, Marcel est informaticien. Oh sorry. Marcel est médecin. Is Marcel a doctor? No. Marcel is informaticien, computer scientist. So first one is faux. Second, is il travaille chez Macintosh? Yes, he works at the Macintosh. So vrai, true. Number 3, we have il est l'oncle de Dennis. Is Marcel the uncle of Dennis? No, he is the cousin of Pauline and Dennis. Right. So faux. Number 4, il est allé à New Delhi avec un billet aller-retour confirmé. So he went to Delhi with a ticket of like a returning and going ticket confirmed. Like he didn't have the confirmation for the returning ticket, right? So fourth one is also false. Faux. And number 5, we have il envoie un message à Pauline. So he sent a message to Pauline. Yes, he did. So vrai. Number 2, trouve dans le texte la forme nominale de confirmer, voler, retourner, attendre. Confirmer means to confirm. Okay. Its nominal form, la confirmation, confirmation. Okay. These all are from this text only. Voler means to fly. So la vol is flight, noun form. Retourner means to return. So returning, like the returning flight, right? So le retour, the nominal form, and for attendre, waiting is the nominal form, right? So l'attente. Like when you're writing the noun form, if you're sure for the nature like masculine or feminine, then it's better to write the article, okay? It shows that you are clear with the vocabulary. Number 2. We have le contraire de première, impossible. Première is first, so première's opposite will be what? Dernière. Right, and next one is possible. And oh sorry, impossible. It's the same, impossible, possible as in English. It's just that the pronunciation is different. Impossible's opposite, possible. Okay, then we have the verb au subjonctif, écrit les infinitifs des verbes. Okay, so we came across several verbs conjugated in subjunctive in this text, right? So you can write any of them, like there was aller, there was être, there was faire, like 2 will be sufficient. Okay, you can write also in the bracket like with the subject and like in which form it was written, right? You can write it, it's fine. A mot qui veut dire regarder le site web. So, a word which means looking the websites. Verifier, right? Verifier, verifying, checking on the websites, right? Verifier. And then last one, fifth, we have a mot qui veut dire courrier électronique. Email, we have one more synonym, right? What, that is what? Mail. Simple. Let's put a halt here for today's video. Okay, now a short announcement that like for like 7 days, yeah, for like 1 week, the videos could be a bit irregular because I have some work actually. So for this week only, I'm saying that videos will be a bit irregular. It may happen that I'm uploading one video today and another one tomorrow, and then I'm not uploading for 4 days. It can happen, right? So just for this week, videos will be slightly irregular. And first I want to complete lesson 11 like as soon as possible, because I haven't proceeded with Entre Jeunes Class 10 in a while, and we are left with only chapter 12 and belong 4. Let's see, we will be doing that as well. And I guess we can put a halt here. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn French with Anubhav. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn French with Anubhav. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir, n'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.